Introducing the UCOMX Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger, the ultimate charging solution for your Apple devices. Are you tired of dealing with multiple chargers cluttering your space? Do you want a charger that seamlessly integrates with your Apple ecosystem? Look no further. The UCOMX Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger is here to simplify your life. This charger is not just convenient, it's revolutionary. With a 180-degree foldable design, it transforms into a phone holder in seconds. And it's not just a charger. It's a charging station that can rotate 360 degrees. Watch a movie horizontally or chat with your friends vertically while your devices charge. Worried about your phone slipping off? Don't be! Our charger comes with a strong magnetic attraction feature, so your phone stays in place. With the UCOMX Nano 3-in-1, you can charge 3 devices simultaneously. It's like having 3 chargers in one. We've upgraded our coils to increase the power conversion rate by 35 EN, ensuring a fast and efficient charge. But we didn't stop there. We care about your safety and health. Our charger is designed with a professional magnetic isolation sheet, so there's no harmful radiation. Plus, it's equipped with a smart temperature sensor. If it ever gets too hot, it'll pause charging to prevent any damage or accidents, and don't worry about compatibility. This charger is compatible with all iPhone 12, 14 series models, and the magnetic feature is just the icing on the cake. So what are you waiting for? Simplify your life with the UCOMX Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger. It even comes with an adapter. Say goodbye to the clutter of multiple chargers and hello to convenience, efficiency, and safety. Get your UCOMX Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger today. Order now and experience the future of charging.